It takes a lot to make a grinder that's fast, reliable, and efficient enough to be both an incredible commercial workhorse and a top-notch single-dosing grinder. One company is more than up to the challenge. Hi, I'm Charles with Clive Coffee. Let's take an in-depth look at the Compak E10 Conical Burr Espresso grinder. Compak builds their grinders with an emphasis on smart engineering and high-quality materials. The E10 is available in both polished aluminum and a sleek matte black finish. You'll immediately notice that all the components from the grind adjustment collar to the adjustable portafilter holder are all metal and sufficiently sturdy. It's fair to say that the E10 is built like a tank. Conical burrs have a reputation for making great espresso. For those looking to replicate the conical burr shots they get at their favorite shop, the Compak E10 is a great choice. It may even be the exact grinder your local cafe is using. That's because the Compak E10 is a truly commercial espresso grinder, with 68mm conical steel burrs and a large 825-watt motor. It'll dispense a 20-gram dose in around 4 seconds, and its internal fan means you can grind doses for shot after shot with no concern of overheating. Keeping the burrs cool means your shots will pull consistently and your grounds will never lose flavor to heat. If you plan to use the E10 at home and pull a handful of shots a day, you'll still reap the benefits of its monster specs. Large burrs make for incredibly consistent particle size distribution, giving you unparalleled clarity of flavor in your espresso. Compak also designed the E10 to have very low grind retention. It only holds on to about 4 grams after grinding. Even more impressive is how quickly it grinds when single dosing. A 20-gram dose will only take about 10 seconds. Further, the Compak E10 can be used with its included tall hopper, optional short hopper, or the optional aluminum single dosing cup. We favor the single dosing cup here at Clive. It makes single dosing a breeze and has a satisfying heft to it. Compak is one of very few companies to cater so thoroughly to baristas that prefer single dosing. Whether you're a fan of conical burr shots, single dosing, or simply having enough power to serve your entire family without breaking a sweat, the Compak E10 is a no-compromise choice that complements any home espresso machine. I'd love to field your questions about the Compak E10 in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to pre-infuse the like button, and for more in-depth videos, tap subscribe.